Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, however the mode doesn't really matter because we will reset general settings. So to do that we have to tap on this arrow right in the middle in this upper panel. Let's tap on it and here go to the settings. Here we have to tap on general, so let's tap and scroll all the way down to find other settings. Then tap on restore default settings and confirm it by tapping on OK. Nothing happened, but trust me that we just successfully reset but camera preferences. Moreover, here we've got the proof, the evidence that the reset option worked, because our device is asking us for the location to the camera. And this is the first thing that your device will ask you whilst setting the camera for the very first time. So for sure, we just reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.